Here are the top free streaming sites that actually work. No accounts, no pop-ups, and 100% legal. First up, we have Popcornflix. Click a movie and it plays instantly. No sign up, no headaches, just free movies and TV shows with a super clean layout. Next up, we have YouTube. Most people don't realize this, but under the movies and TV category, YouTube has a full library of free films and shows that stream instantly with minimal ads and perfect playback. Number 3, we have Sumo Play. This one even includes free live TV channels, a full guide, and tons of movies you can play with one click. Again, totally free. I have some bonus websites as well, which is Sling Free Stream and Tubi TV if you want even more movies without logging in. And yes, all of these work without registration. Try them out and tell me in the comment section which one surprised you the most. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.